Hey guys, this is Chris again. I'm doing another unboxing 2 days in a row. This one I traded with Jared. I traded my Patty wave dial for this, as you can guess by the title of the Helson. This is a Shark Diver 38mm limited edition titanium model. And of course today I'm wearing that Maurice Lacroix. Still loving this thing. Probably be honeymooning with this one for a while. But like I said, this was a straight up trade with Jared, the same guy that I traded my Manta for the Doxa with. Stand up guy. Always keeps his watches really, really clean. No scratches or nicks. Treats them really well, so I definitely recommend if you ever go and trade with Jared. Appreciate it again, Jared. But on to the watch. Like he packed it really well. The Helsons don't come in the gas tubes anymore. They come in these travel pouches, which is pretty convenient because, like, whenever you travel, whatever, if you want to carry a watch, you know, or watches with you, this is a cool way to do it. Pretty nice little case that come with it. Nice little kit here. But oh, I'm knocking stuff over there. But onto the watch. Got this packed pretty tight here, so that way the face doesn't get scratched. But this watch is definitely a nice watch. Looks like I'm gonna have to add some of the links he's got provided here. But this is the 38mm, like I said, the titanium Shark Diver. This has the Miyota movement. Bezel action is a little tight. That's about my only knock on this, is the Miyota movement. Not sure how loud it's going to be for daily wear. We'll find out. I'll probably wear this to work tomorrow. But anyways, this has been Chris with a quick little unboxing. This is the secondary strap, the rubber strap to come with it. Of course, the warranty card. You can see this thing is almost brand new. He bought it recently. But this overall, like I said, this is a pretty cool watch. First impressions, I really, really like this. It feels really, really light. But again, this has been Chris with the Helson Shark Diver. This is the 38mm titanium model, limited edition unboxing. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, peace.